Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to JB Jumbo Online Mathematics. Today, we are going to be looking at addition and subtraction of algebraic fraction. In addition and subtraction of algebraic fraction, the first thing you do is to find the LCM. Take the LCM of the denominators. You mean that to simplify algebraic fraction involving addition and subtraction, simply look for the LCM of the denominators. After which you simplify, you now simplify. Now let us solve it now. Let us solve it now. We are having the first one, which is 4 over s and then minus 6 all over s plus 2. Now what can we do here? We need to take LCM of the denominator. Take LCM of the denominator. We have s plus 2. The s open bracket s plus 2. And now what do you do now? We have to now use this LCM to divide here. When I use this one to divide, I will be left with brackets. Now use the bracket, the leftover, to times the numerator, the power of 4 open brackets, s plus 2. And I also use this one again to divide here, to 11x times it by this, is what 6s. Now what can we do here? What can we do here? Meaning what can we do here? Meaning we need to open bracket from the numerator, open the bracket. Now to open this bracket, the power of 4 times s, which is 4s, 4 times 2 is what? 8. We have 8 there, and minus 6. We have 8 here, minus 6s, all over s open bracket s plus 2. That is what we have there, s plus 2 inside the bracket. Now what can we do? We need to now simplify. Simplify the numerator. Simplify the numerator. Now how can we simplify the numerator? We look for the like terms. This and this, they are the same. They have the same like terms. Therefore, we now have what? We are going to be having what? 4s minus 6s will be what? Minus 2s. Minus 2s plus 8. All over. Now what is the other one there? We have s plus 2 inside the bracket. Now what can we do again? From the numerator, I can do something there. From the numerator, I can do something, and at the end, I will say let the minus comes out. That minus 2 is common. I will factor out minus 2. Here will be left with what? S minus 4. Yes. All over what? S, open bracket, S plus 2. That is what we are going to be having there. Now, for what we have here, I can decide to bring this minus here. Here is equal to, there is equal sign there. I can decide to bring this minus here that was initially there to this position here. Meaning here is now minus. That position there is now minus. That is how to solve. This is how to solve this very one here. Please, I told you that here is minus. Initially it was here before. I can drop the minus and bring it here. I can drop it and bring it there. You mean that this is the solution? Meaning we cannot cancel out here. This is the solution to this very one. Now we can solve the other one. We can also solve the other one. What is the other one? Then number 2. We can solve number 2. And what is number 2 there? Let us see. Number 2 is what? 4 all over s minus 3. And what is the other one? We have 1 all over s plus 2. Now what can we do? Remember I told you take LCM of the denominator. That is one of the things you do. It only happens when you are dealing with addition and subtraction. But you can't do that when you are dealing with multiplication and division of algebraic fraction. Now since we have minus or addition, we simply take LCM again. Taking the LCM because of s minus 3 and what? X plus 2. Okay, we now use this one to divide here. That is say this one divide here left with s plus 2 times here because of 4s open bracket s plus 2. And also this one will divide here left with this also times that one, which is going to be s minus what? 3. I hope you can see. Now we cannot simplify the numerator. Now how can we simplify the numerator? We simply will open the bracket. We say 4 times s. We are going to be having 4s. 4 times 2 is going to be 8. This one will also open minus s. Minus plus. 1 times 3 is what? 3. Here will be 3. And here all over what? S minus 3 and also s plus 3. Now in this case now, you can see there are like terms. 4s minus s is going to be 3s. This one plus the power 11. 11 all over s minus 3, and also what s plus 2. In this case, I cannot cancel. I can leave my answer in this form. I can leave my answer in this form. I cannot cancel in that form because there is no one common to numerator and denominator. Now, in this case now, we can leave it like this. I will now go straight to question 3. Let us go straight to question 3. Now, what is question 3 there? Question 3 says 1 over what s minus 1 plus 2 all over what? 1 plus x. This is what we have, 1 plus x. Meaning we can still take LCM of the denominator. We still take LCM of the denominator. The LCM will be, and it's going to give us what s minus 1 and also what 1 plus s. Now, use this one to divide here. It will be left with this. Times this one become 1. This 1. You can see there that 1 plus x. Use this one to divide here. It will be left with this. And it's going to be what? Plus 2, which is s minus 1. That is what we are going to be having there. I hope you can see. Just look at it very well. We can see. Now, for what we have there, what can we do? We can now open the bracket. Then you can now open the bracket, which is the numerator. If you want to open everything, it's going to give us the same thing. Let's open the power of 2s minus 1 all over s minus 1 and also what? 1 plus x. That is what we have there. Now, in this case, I can simplify the 1 up. S plus 2s is 3s. 1 minus this. I think, okay. I think we are correct in what we did. Yes, we are very much correct. We are very much correct. We are very much correct. Now, in this case now, this and this can go. Become what? 3. Go to what? 3. Here will be what? 3s. I think this one can be. This one, 1 minus 1 is going to be what? We are going to be having just nothing there. Meaning nothing there. 1 minus 1 is 0. Meaning all over x minus 1 and also what? 1 plus x. This is what we are going to be having here. What we are going to be having here. Now, in this case, we cannot reduce the fraction. We cannot reduce the fraction more than that. Meaning, I can leave my answer in that form. I can leave my answer in this form. I hope you can see what we have just done so far. Just go through so that I can answer the last question now. The last question will be question 4. I have solved question 1. I have solved question 2, and I have handled question 3. Just look at it. I think we are very much correct in what we have just done. We are very much correct here. We take LCM here. That was the LCM. I said this one divide this. It is left with the second bracket. Then the second denominator. Use it to multiply up to give us this. Also use this one to divide here, remaining this. Use this one to times here to give you what this very one here. Now at the end, open the bracket. When you open, we are going to be having. When you open the bracket, we are going to be having 1 plus s plus 2s. Because 2 will open here, it's going to be 2s. 2 will open here become. Oh please, I made a mistake here. Please, it's supposed 2 supposed to open. 2 supposed to open. Here is going to be what 2 here. Please correct that point there. Meaning here we are going to be having 2 here. We are going to be having. Okay, sorry. 1 minus this, I think we'll be having minus 1. Please, this one is going to be your answer. Please correct that very one there. Correct it. That one is going to be your answer. Because when 2 open here, it's going to be 2s. 2 open here, become minus 2. Please correct that point there. Meaning this is going to be our answer, final answer there. In this case, we cannot cancel. We can leave our answer like that. Now, we'll now move straight to this third one. Let us move straight to the third. I hope I can clear here now. I can remove here so that I can solve question 4. Let me solve question 4. To solve question 4, what is it there? They say question 4 is s squared minus 3s minus 4 all over s squared minus 4s and also minus s squared minus 4s plus 4 all over s squared minus 4. I hope you can see that. That's what we have there. I think you just go through it. That is what we have there. Now, in this case, now what can we do here? We can now factorize up. We factorize up the numerator. When you factorize up here, you simply give us s squared minus factorizing this one. Think of 2 numbers you can add to give you minus 3, but when you multiply, you have minus 4. And the number are simply what? Minus 4s plus s minus 4 all over. Get this one, also factorize here, s will come outside, become s minus 4 That is what we have there. Minus, also factorize here, become s squared. Okay, minus, what can you also add? When you add it, you get the coefficient of x here, which is minus 4, but when I multiply, I will have plus 4. And the number is equal to 2, and also what 2, therefore become what 2s plus, okay, minus 2s, yes, minus 2s plus 4. This is the number here. This one, get the difference of 2 square of this one, become what s minus 2, and what s plus 2. This is what we have here. This is what we have here. Now in this case now, I think I can go further and solve. I can go further and solve. What will I do here? I will simply factorize here, factorize here, factorize here, factorize here, factorize here. What is common here? S is common. S is common at that point. Meaning we can also solve this one as well. Okay, S is common. Okay, bringing out S, remember what S here. Here is level 4. Also, what is common there? Plus 1 is common. Therefore, become S minus 4 all over, we're going to be having what? All over S, open bracket S minus 4. And here also, we also factorize the power minus S is common. You want S outside S minus 2. And also what? Minus 2, open bracket S minus 2. That's what we're going to be having there. All over S minus 2. And also what? S plus 2. Close your bracket, and at the end, what are we going to have here? At the end, what are we having? Meaning we need to now collect one of the brackets. We collect one of the brackets. Because we see there are common brackets there. There are common brackets. We simply say S minus 4. And also, what is that? Forget about the second bracket. Collect the one outside. S plus 1. S plus 1. Sorry. S plus 1. Okay, all over S. Bracket S minus 4, and here which one is common? S minus 2 is common, and take the one outside become S. Think we are going to be having S minus 2, yes, all over S minus 2, and what? S plus 2. S plus 2 here. Now which one? I think we can reduce it now. We can reduce, yes, we can reduce this one, we can reduce here. What is next? Okay, this one can also reduce here. What's next? Let us see what is left there. What is next is going to be this. We are going to be having S plus 1 all over S minus, what is left here? S minus 2 all over S plus 2. That is what we are going to be having there. Meaning we cannot stop here. We can still go further and resolve. We can still go further and resolve it. And take LCM of the denominator, take LCM for S as the LCM, and also what? S plus 2 as the LCM. Now let this one divide, let it divide here, let with bracket times it by the before S, open bracket, okay, S plus 1, open bracket, S plus 2. Now let this one also divide here, let it S, become what? S, open bracket, S minus 2. That's what we're going to be having there. Now, in this case, now what can we do? In this case, what can we do? Meaning we can resolve it again. We can resolve it again, and we can resolve it again, and we can say that okay, we can resolve it again, and we expand. We simply expand it. Mean that this one we expand it. The expand is going to be what? S squared. I mean, if this one expand, become what? Here is going to what? S plus 2S plus 2. That's what we are going to be having there. Okay, we also open here. Also open this space here. S times S squared. Minus times minus plus. S times this becomes 2S all over S, open bracket S plus 2. This is what we are going to be having here. This is what we are going to be having in this point here. Now, what can we do now? I think we can resolve the one up. We can resolve the one up. When we resolve it, what is it going to give us? We can resolve the one up. When we resolve it, what is it going to give us? Let us see what we are going to have there. If we resolve it, meaning, let me now resolve it up here. Let me resolve it up here. If I resolve it up here, it's going to be what? I think the S, this one can keep. This one here can keep. So that at the end we have what? This plus this become what? 3S in that point there. I think this one again, I think we have something left there. Okay, yes, S plus this plus this. I think it's going to be 5S. It's going to be 5S. Here will be 5S. This point here will be 5S. I think we still have something left there, and then 2 is there. That is it plus 2. Now we have 5S plus 2 all over S, open bracket S plus 2. This is what we are going to be having at the end. This one will be our final answer at the end. This is how to solve. This is how to solve addition and subtraction of algebraic fraction. This is how to solve addition and subtraction of algebraic fraction. I hope you have learned so much from what we have just done so far. Please, in our next class, we are going to look at undefined fraction. That one will be our last area in algebraic fraction. We are going to discuss that one as the last part of algebra. And after we should proceed to the next topic. I believe we are going to either treat partial fraction or polynomial. But before we enter that partial fraction or polynomial, we are going to look at undefined fraction first, so that one will resolve it. That one will be the last aspect of algebra. Thank you very much. God bless you for staying with us.